to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about the SealSend airdrop. Okay, so this is the development from SealSend, and they are creating their own wallets and via the extension. So to receive your tokens, there's been a claim that all token distribution will be on the wallet. Okay, so what you need to do is go to your browser, maybe your mobile device or your PC. You search for SealSend extension, and you have this right there, and you're going to add it to your Chrome. That is to install it, probably on your Chrome, your Yandex, wherever browser you're using. Once you do that, the next step is you're going to create an account, because you're going to create a wallet. I've already created mine. So if I want to create it, just click on create account, and once you're done with that, you back up your seed phrase and then put in your password. Okay, which is very important. You put in your password. After putting in your password, okay, so after putting in your password, all you need to do is then activate the wallet. All right, so I'm gonna log into my wallet right now. All right, I'm gonna log in right now. So you can see I'm logged into my wallet. Okay, so to activate my wallet, I'm going to send any amount of ICE tokens to my wallet. Okay, and then I'm going to send it to my wallet and then send it out again. All right, so that completes activation on the ION network. Remember, that's the ICE open network. Okay, so all I need to do is copy this address. This is my wallet address, and then I'm going to transfer some ICE into this address, into those wallets, and then once the ICE arrives, I'm going to carry out the same action. Okay, I'm just going to send again, choose this the ICE network, enter the address, and then put the amount, and then I put in my PIN. You can put it on bounceable and then click on send, meaning I'm going to receive on this wallet and also send it out. That completes your activation. All right, then if you're logged out peradventure, they tell you session errors or session expired, just simply log in again and restart the process. All right, now you can, once your wallet is activated, you can start using it to send and receive tokens. Right, you can now use the extension to send encrypted emails also to other active wallets. Encrypted emails, that is undecipherable. That's locked emails that you and the person just has. All right, so stay guided, stay informed. Let's try to activate this wallet and see what's up. So right now we're about to activate this wallet. So these are SealSend. I'll copy my address. All right, and then I'll go to my wallet. This is my ICE wallet. All right, this is my ICE wallet, and this is the ICE official wallet. So I'm going to try to send. I'm going to put in the address I just copied. All right, and then put in the amount. Let's say I want to send 5 ICE tokens, and then my comment could be activate. Right, it's optional, so you could leave it vacant. Okay, so you can see, and then you could encrypt it. Okay, you could encrypt, but I'm not gonna encrypt it. All right, so I'm just gonna click on next, and then in clicking on next, you can see this is a breakdown of what you're about to do, and this is the fee you're gonna pay. So I'm gonna click on confirm, and once I click on confirm, let's see how it goes. It's loading. So next, I'm requested to verify my identity, put in my password for my ICE wallet. I'm going to click on unlock. I put in my password. All right, so you can see awaiting confirmation. That is 15 seconds. Okay, let's wait together. So you can see confirm, that's transaction finished, to successful. Okay, so I'm gonna just go to my my SealSend, and let's try to see if the stuff has arrived. Let's try to see if the stuff has arrived. I'm just gonna click and come back here. I'll try to unlock my wallet. Okay, you can see, right, it has arrived. That's five ICE tokens that just arrived right in my wallet. So what do I do to activate? You can see it's still not activated, right? And if you can see, this is the 55 seconds ago, and this is it, received ION, that's Eyes Open Network. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send back just any amount of ICE. So I'm going to come back to my sending wallet. I'm going to click on my wallet, copy it, and then I'll send right to it. I'm going to send, let's say, 3. Let me just send two ICE, and then I'm going to put in my pin. Okay, so right there I put in my pin. Let me just change it to 1, because, and then I'm putting it on bounceable. It's a recommended, and click on send. Okay, so it's processing. The extension system email says sent 1 ION, so you can see it's successful. I've sent it, and then let's see how it goes. I'm gonna come back here to my wallet, close this, and then let's see our activities. This is the previous stuff we sent. You can see we just received 1 ICE token, and then this should be verified by now. You can see my wallet is now activated. It's as simple as that. So right now I can just decide to interact with other active wallets. If you have friends that are active, you could just interact. So this should show me my history of my transactions I have done. You can see this is in, right, and this is out. Okay, so this is it. My wallet is not active. So let's stay guided. Okay, so once the SealSend airdrop is officially going live, I think this is all that you would require, just this wallet address, and then of course you could send encrypted mail. Stay guided, stay informed, give us a follow, subscribe to our channel, and then like and comment. If you have any challenges, kindly drop them. Please be guided. This is not a financial advice, but then please always keep your seed phrases secure and safe. Do not share them on public platforms. Stay guided, stay informed.